Hello Moms Gang, I hope you all are doing good. In our last video we cooked Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. If you haven't watched it yet, do go watch it. The link is in the description. And thank you so much to each and every one of you who liked, shared and subscribed to our channel. And thank you for the great response. We got around 1700 plus views to our last video. So we need more support from you guys. Please do like, share and also subscribe. Do share with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Today we're gonna cook lemon rice, which is one of the famous South Indian dish with my mom's recipe. So you can cook this recipe in less than 10 minutes. This is one of those lunchbox recipe which is fast to prepare and also very much tasty. And also it's my sister's birthday today and she loves this recipe a lot, so it's kind of a gift to her. So do wish her in the comment section below, and also let us know what you liked about this video. Do subscribe and share with your moms. So here are the list of ingredients that we're gonna use today. So we're gonna use like 7, out of which 3 are the main ingredients. One is the lemon, which is like the main ingredient, peanuts and also the green chilies. So now for the first step, if you haven't cooked your rice, so we're gonna cook the rice as the first step. So for that I'm taking 1 cup of rice. So I washed it. So I'm gonna add like 2 glasses of water and let it sit in the electric cooker. So our rice will be done in like 10 minutes. So let me just go put this onto the rice cooker and let it cook. I'll meet you guys in like 10 minutes. Rice is cooked and I've put it under fan because it should be cool. If it is hot, it's gonna get mashed. So make sure that the rice is cool. And so moving on, so for the next step, I have chopped my green chilies and I'm gonna use the peanuts and 1 lemon for preparing this dish. So let's move on to the preparation. So I'm gonna add like 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil onto a hot pan. Now I'm gonna add the green chilies and I'll let it fry for like 30 seconds. So the green chilies are a little bit fried. Now let's add turmeric. You can add around half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of turmeric according to your taste. So I added like 1 tablespoon here. Now I'll fry up this mixture, so the green chilies and the turmeric. So we'll fry it for like 30 to 40 seconds. So now that this is fried, add the peanuts or the groundnuts to this mixture and stir it around for like 50 seconds on a medium heat. So make sure that the heat is in medium, or else the peanuts would get burned and it's gonna taste really bad with the lemon rice mixture. So the lemon rice paste is ready. So it's cooked. So let's turn off the heat and let's move to the next step. So in the next step we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt to the rice and mix it well. So now I'm gonna add 1 lemon. So I've added the lemon juice here. So now we're gonna move the lemon rice paste to the rice and we'll mix it. So there's gonna be some paste left out onto the pan. So what my mom does is she just takes out some rice and mixes onto the pan so that we do not lose any paste that we have mixed it before. So once that is done, we're gonna move all this mixture back to the rice bowl, and we're gonna mix it onto the rice bowl now. So now everything is moved, so let's mix it well. So you can see here, so if the rice is kind of hot, then all the rice is gonna break. So that is why the reason is like you have to have the rice to be cold. So that's all, like that's it. So our lemon rice is ready. You can see it's like too easy, like only three ingredients that we have used. So let's do the plating now. So for the last step, so yeah, our lemon rice is ready. So if you guys like this recipe, so please do like, share and subscribe, and also let me know what you liked about the recipe in the comment section below. And please do share with your moms and let me know what they think. So before you go, so if you want to have like something along with the lemon rice, you can have some peanut powder. So I'm gonna share this recipe on the peanut powder really soon. And you can also have some Indian mixture. So this is one of those snacks that you get it in any of the Indian stores. So go to your nearby Indian stores and get this. So it's gonna taste like this combination. It's gonna be really good. So that's all guys, so that's it for today, and we'll meet you in the next recipe. Until then, do like, share and do subscribe to our channel. We need your support. Please do support, and you can also follow us on Instagram on this account. So please do let us know what do you feel. So thank you so much. Love your moms, and meet you again with another recipe.